everyone, Ma'am Reg is here again for the new learnings in mathematics. For today's topic, we will learn about angle pairs. For today's objectives, the learners are expected to illustrate and derive relationship on pairs of angles and define pairs of angles. So let us have a trivia about diamonds. Diamonds are known to be precious stones that are very much used in jewelry making. Do you know that some diamonds sparkle more than the others? Some may be cut in the same shape, but their brilliance differs significantly. This brilliance actually depends on the angle of its faces and how they catch and reflect light. Gem cutters use this property in order to produce diamonds with different levels of brilliance. The Cullinan diamond is the largest diamonds ever mined, weighing at an outstanding 3,106 carats and now part of the English crown jewels. Its current home is the Tower of London in London, England. Let us have a recap of what we have discussed last time. Angles classified according to their measure. So we have a right angle. It is an angle whose measure is 90 degrees. Another angles is an acute angle. It is an angle whose measure is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. The third one is an obtuse angle. It is an angle whose measure is greater than 90 but less than 180 degree. So we have what we call angle pairs. The angle pairs are complementary angles. Number 2, supplementary angles. Number 3, adjacent angles. Number 4, vertical angles. And number 5, linear pair. The first angle pairs that we have is the complementary angles. Two angles are complementary with each other if the sum of their measure is equal to 90 degrees. So we have the statement angle 1 and angle 2 is complementary angles. If the measure of angle 1 is 23 degrees, therefore the measure of angle 2 is 67 degrees. Measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2 is 90 degrees. So the measure of angle 1 is 23 degrees and the measure of angle 2 is 67 degrees. Therefore, if we add the measure of the two angles, the sum is 90 degrees. The next angle pairs that we have is supplementary angles. Two angles are supplementary with each other if the sum of their measure is equal to 180 degrees. The statement that we have is angle MEN and angle NET is supplementary angles. If the measure of angle MEN is 60 degrees, therefore the measure of angle NET is 120 degrees. 60 plus 120 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So therefore, the angle MEN and angle NET is supplementary angles. The third angle pairs that we have is adjacent angles. Adjacent angles are two coplanar angles with common side and common vertex. In the figure, angle PUT is adjacent to angle TUG. Their common vertex is point U and common side is segment UT. Is it angle JOT is adjacent to angle TOB? Okay, yes, because they have common vertex, which is the point O, and the common side, which is the segment OT. The next angle pairs that we have is vertical angles. Vertical angles are two angles whose side from two pair of opposite rays and are non-adjacent angles formed by two intersecting lines. In the figure, angle 1 and angle 3 are vertical angles, and angle 2 and angle 4 are also vertical angles. They have common vertex but have no common sides. The last angle pair that we have is linear pair. Linear pair is two angles which are adjacent and supplementary with each other. In the figure, angle TEW and angle WEB are linear pair. The sum of the measure of linear pair is 180 degree. If the measure of angle WEB is 80 degree, therefore the measure of angle WET or angle TEW is 180 degree. From the given figure, which angles are linear pair? Angle WAS and angle WAR are linear pair.